Mommy, can we win now? Please. Let's go. Let's clean up with toys. Time to back up. Come on, hey Mama. Who made this mess? Pick up your ball. Put the toys in the basket. Keep the cards in the box. Put your door bag on the shelf. One by one, pick everything. Don't throw the toys. Good job. You're doing great. Mama is proud of you. Look how clean your room is now. Thank you for helping. Don't get on the toy. The toy goes here. Let's finish quickly. Are this yours? Bring me that teddy. We clean up after playing. Put things back. Let's do it together. Every toy has a home. Bye-bye to your toys. Like, share, comment on my video. See you again. Bye-bye.